I have a meeting today, and this person that I'm going to meet is for a deal, and he's into cars. I think he wants, I don't know Sha, but I think he wants us to do something together, work together, maybe for me to influence for his car business or something, you know. And the way with the guy they sound, he won't sound intimidating, like say he won't let me know say he get level. So me too, I won't let her know say, even as I come to work for you, me too, I get levels. You understand? And then before you go come to say you won't do me favor by maybe giving me one car or so. I don't know the plan. I don't know the plan. But right now, I want to prepare for the meeting. So first of all, what I want to wear is like a power suit. I want to look like one gang rich auntie. But I need you guys to help me because I want to go with a powerful car. I want to go with a car that when he hears the engine coming, he's going to say, okay, who it is? What's this? Badass. So these are a few of the cars that are available in the compound right now. You know, some are not on ground. You know, my husband, I think they had them to rent out something. My husband still ain't go rent me join. So I want you guys to help me listen to the sound of each car. Okay? So the one that appeals to you most, the one as a man, and a man really will know this car thing. I don't know for women, no, but me, I be woman, I know too sabi. But guys, wait there, listen, no, come help me. I go on each car. When I on a revamp, you go hear how the thing they go. If you go well for you, then you tell me say, Lolo, go with option this, option that. So this, let us call this option 1. We call this option 2. Let's call this option 3. We're going to call this option 4. Last but not the least, we'll call that option 5. So let us begin with option 1. Come with me. Come. Meanwhile, if you like my kimono, it's from House of Blessing Couture. You like my kimono? It looks cute, huh? Cute. Okay. This one where they go find trouble. You don't finish with that now. These are the car keys, all of them. Just say to crowd my hand like say I want thief. So, oh no. Aha. So you guys, your job right now is to listen for me. Yummy way. Listen for me and let me know the one that resonates most with you. Ewo. Listen, no, because before tomorrow they will say I know here and well. This is option 1. Listen to the driving again before I off the car. Option 1, make sure say you put your markings down. No be the one way you call they confuse me. You know, say even me say I need you to guide me. No be everything what I sabi. All this when it has to do with cars, you know, gadgets. I know they did. Let's go to option 2. This option 1 go well. Oh Jesus, the thing they turn me on. What? Jesus. The thing get power. Just the great. Hey, yo. Make I day here. Mama, you have to go in there. Stand in front of the car, man. Go there. Stand in front of the car. Yeah. So that me, I don't even sabi the car keys. Make I find the car key. Oh God, I beg. Which kind of woman be this? I don't know. My husband they try force make I like car, but I don't know when I will like car. So look up. Please, pardon me. Okay. So I'm gonna start it. You don't need to see me, but just listen. Ah, this one's sleek. Oh. See, I just feel like one sexy diva. Okay. If my husband sabi wetin I dey do for here, my husband go just dey shake head say this woman. You don't know, sir. I dey play with his babes. My husband love his cars, but today I got to choose one, and you're gonna help me. Oh yeah, option 2. Let's listen. I mean, Mona, no verse where they own this car. Jesus. SEO, who can help me? Help me. Okay. Ooh. You see where the on button there? Chai, Rajuno. And I don't drive this car before. No be one, no be twice. But I don't want to forget. No be yell. Now for down this button side where you go press volume, all those things. Now for down here, now close to gear. Now in this on button there. Why I know so confused? Why they look for steering? Can you imagine? Let me rev it for you. Make I rev am. I don't want to make noise in this car, but I feel like this one sounds more sexy. It sounds more feminine. This one was sounding like a tiger, like a man, like an angry man. This one is sounding Okay, so this is option 2. Let's go to option 3 and see what's happening. Oh my god. Oh, that man does not know what wants to hit him today. I might come down from the car with my power suit. Hey, let's go. Now, you want to go in front so they can listen to the sound of the engine from there, you know. So be sure. Could this be it or not? Let me rev it for you to hear the sound. What do you guys think about this one? In your honesty mind, what do you guys think about this particular one? It's not giving the power that I want to. The power effect. But what do you guys think about it? I don't mind. This one is always even very comfortable for me to drive. If I'm driving, I'm always going for this. Either you see me with this one or option 5. I don't like drama. I don't even like attention. But for this one, I want to be out there. So do you think this fits? This option 3. Let's go to option 4. You see this car? This is the love of my husband's life. My husband will betray me for this car. My husband will betray me for this car. Do you want to stay here or do you want to stay in front? Come on, man. Come on. Let's know what we're doing. Escalade, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's try and see which sound we're gonna go with because I'm working with the sound. That's why I want her to stay close to the engine so you listen and know which one do we go with. All right, let me start this baby. This one is giving what should I call it? It's giving what's the name? There's a word I'm trying to pick up but I'm not getting it. So it's a car that requires you to have like a driver. I don't know, Sha. I don't know, but you guys just be the judge because I want you to be the judge. Let's go to option 5. Oh no, I never carry key. So you see this car, in how many years of marriage? In remember, I was going to be married for 10 years. This year is going to make us 11 years by September. This is the fourth car he has bought for me. This is the fourth car that he has bought for me in the 11 years of our marriage. So this car is dear to my heart. I love it so much. I'm always holding, like, I have a sentimental attachment to it. By the way, the second car was totaled. Like, I had an accident and it was destroyed beyond repairs. And you had to sell it as scrap. So me standing here talking to you is a miracle. Now, let's hear the sound, baby. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Are you ready? Forget the dirty on the body. They're gonna wash it when it's time for me to step out. If I must use this. Now, let me accelerate for you to listen to my baby. This is my baby. I love this baby. This is option 5, so come with me. Now, before the rain messes us up completely, I'd like to ask you, before I go in, because it's beginning to rain, from the option 1 to 2 to the 3 to the 4 to the 5, which one do you think I should use to go and have a business meeting with a car dealer? You understand what I mean now? Say, I want to show the man, say, Ade, no intimidate me, no look me down, no price me less. You will pay me my worth. Because you're not trying to help me. I'm bringing my value, and I'm a big girl, so I mean, I'm well taken care of. I'm not a hungry girl. So which one do you think is going to explain that, even without me saying too much? Give me in the comment section. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 5? But bear in mind that if I'm driving number 4, I have to go with a driver. But every other one, I want to drive by myself. I don't even understand. And I'm putting on a power suit. So use the number and let me know in the comment section. Thank you while I wait. You know I love you, right? Mwah.